My dear friends, we love gold for the action, the volatility, and right now we can see the main charm of gold, the volatility, the craziness is missing. Gold is trading, I won't say in a tight range, but gold is sideways right now, and the volatility is not there in the market. Before we proceed with the chart, let's look at the market sentiment because market sentiment decides everything. Gold retreats amid Middle East uncertainty. Gold fell toward 4700 announced on Thursday, giving back gains from the previous session as market continued to contend with elevated uncertainty in the Middle East and the ongoing blockage of the Strait of Hormuz. So it's still going on, which kept energy prices high and inflation risk elevated. Gold falls as US Iran ceasefire keeps inflation concerns high. So if you're wondering why gold is going down, then this is the reason. Okay. Now let's look at the chart. First of all, let's look at the daily chart of gold. So as we all know, gold is fundamentally bullish. So whatever we see on gold, the temporary corrections, okay, they will come and go. But overall, the supply of the yellow metal is limited in our planet, as a result of which we always see gold in uptrend. So if you're a positional buyer, okay, planning to hold gold for months and years, you can clearly see the chart is bullish, so you can continue holding. But if you are looking for 10 days or 2 weeks, then obviously, okay, this is not the right time, because on the daily chart also we can see in this particular portion of the market is struggling. Okay, the structure of the market is not very bullish. So if you are a swing trader, then obviously this is not the ideal ideal time to trade here, because overall the chart may be bullish, but you can see on the daily chart also we do not see the bullishness. There is a possibility of further correction, and the forex chart is also showing us a similar picture. Okay, if we just look at this portion of the market here, okay, we can clearly see the market is sideways. Okay, then there is no doubt about it. Okay, so if you are a positional trader, not for sorry if you're a if you're a swing trader, if you are looking for a good swing trade, then yeah, from the forex chart you can see around 4570 4580. Okay, we can look for a good trade here if market comes down and takes support. Market may take some liquidity also, but yes, it can be a good trade to consider. Again, I'm repeating, this is a 4-hour chart of gold, not for day traders. Okay, so if market comes around 4580, 457050, okay, this zone can be a good one. If market takes some liquidity also, when market will be coming up, okay, then it can be a good positional, it can be a very good swing trade. Okay, now let's look at the other time frames. Before we move to the hourly chart of gold, okay, would like to look at the 15 minutes chart, because most of us are day traders and it will be easier for us to understand the trading opportunities. Okay, so let's look at the 15 minutes chart first. Okay, there is a reason behind it. Okay, so if you are already a part of our free Telegram community or WhatsApp group, then you already know, okay, what sort of trading plan we should be following. Okay, so my dear friends, you can see right now gold is trading around 4700. Try to understand, listen to me carefully. So right now 4700 is acting as a support, but here we can clearly see, okay, that the bull power is missing. And if we observe the market structure here, do we see bull power? No, the market structure is kind of bearish. Okay, so there's a high chance that during the day market will break the support. So if market breaks 4694, if market breaks 4694, boom, like this, we can look for a sell position. Right now, okay, the volume is missing because we are discussing about gold in the Asian session, but after a few hours there's a high chance that market will be going below 4694. I have a sell position going on right now. So if market breaks 4694, you can look for a sell opportunity below this level. And where is the next support? The next support is around 4670. If you're wondering why 4670, you can clearly see on the chart that 4670 is the support. But here you need to understand one thing, that my dear friends, what is the structure of the market here? Structure of the market is bearish. Market is not forming higher highs or similar highs here. Market is mostly forming lower highs. Okay, so there is a possibility that market may go below 4670. That's why in the group I mentioned about volume, because volume is going to play a key role. If you see market is going down with small candles, means low volume, there's a high chance that 4670 around 4665 market will be taking support. Okay, but in case you see market is going down with big red candles, then obviously 4670 will not be able to hold the market. And where is the next support? Okay, then we need to look at the 4650. Now we have switched to the hourly time frame. See, this is the support from the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, 15 minutes time frame support. If market drops with high volume, because the market structure is not positive, it may not be able to hold it. Okay, so in that case, there's a chance that after taking all the liquidity, okay, after taking all the liquidity, market will bounce from 4650, 4645. Okay, so it depends on the volume and the situation. If market remains slow and dull, low volume, then you can expect a bounce, or you can expect a market to show price rejection from below around 4670 area. But if market breaks 4670 with high volume, do not be surprised, because we can clearly see on the chart there is a possibility of market taking the liquidity around 4670 area. Okay, if it does, then we can look for a support around 4650, 4645. So if market takes support on 4650, 4645, we can buy it there. So it depends on the scenario. We have two supports right now. Okay, so if you do not understand liquidity and all much, okay, then it will be difficult for you, but try to understand, because this is how the market functions. Okay, this is the bitter reality of the market. So we can look for a sell below 4694. Okay, if market drops with volume, if you have any ongoing sell position, you can already hold your sell position as well. As I already mentioned, I already have a sell going on. Okay, I'm expecting downside, and the support is around 4670. And if market fails to bounce from 4670, we can expect market will take liquidity around 4670 and bounce from 4650 area. Okay, and if you see market bouncing from middle, you can also buy above 4670 after liquidity grab. Okay, if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then the upside is not very clear to us, because the highs of the market are not very clear, and the market structure is also a little bit dicey here. But still, we can expect 4750 to act as a minor resistance as of now. If market remains like this, around 4750, we can look for a sell position if market shows price rejection from above. If you're a scalper, okay, if you're looking for some quick pips, you can also look for a quick selling opportunity around 4730 as well. Okay, so these are the two selling opportunities. 4730, okay, is high risk for scalpers, but around 4750 as a day trader, we can look for some selling opportunity if market shows price rejection from above. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold that I see right now, okay, at the time of recording the video. Obviously the market will change. Okay, if anything crazy happens, you'll get an update in the Telegram community. If you're still not a part, feel free to join. And if you want to become a member of our WhatsApp group where we talk everything in detail, okay, and you want to become a better trader, okay, you can be a part, okay, by joining our referral. Okay, so everything in the description. Bye bye, take care.